Hi, my name is Sydney. Here's my Amazon guy, and today I'll be walking you through your inventory dashboard. So go ahead and log on to your Seller Central account. Then underneath the Inventory tab, click on Inventory Planning, which this page should appear. As you can see, there are 7 different tabs. You have the dashboard. This is your inventory dashboard. It just gives you a summary of your key inventory metrics, as well as different opportunities for ways that you can improve your inventory efficiency and your in-stock performance. So it will give you your performance index, the SKUs that are going to be restocked today, the excess units that you have, as well as what SKUs they are in excess of, and days in inventory. So as you scroll down, you would see the opportunity to manage excess inventory if you had it, as well as other notifications. Your FBA inventory age, this just shows you how many days and how many units and what the percentage of the FBA inventory that you have is. And your restock inventory, it recommends and tells you how many days of supply you roughly have left and recommends the order of how much you should send in. So if you want to go ahead and click on performance as a new tab, it just shows you your performance on a weekly basis, and it gives you the top influencing factors of excess inventory, sell-through, stranded inventory, and in-stock inventory, and gives you ways that you can improve your performance. In the restock inventory tab, this is something that you can see on your dashboard, but it gives the different SKUs and ASINs that you have, the amount of days of supplies you have left, and the recommended replenish quantity, as well as the recommended ship date. So do note that there are limited restocks currently on different products. So be aware of how much you can send in. But Amazon go ahead and creates this plan for you just so that you can know how many products you should ship in. This is the manage excess inventory. This is something that you saw on your dashboard. As you can see here, it helps you identify products out of excess inventory in FBA and suggest different actions that help you improve inventory performances. And you can take a tour to help you explore this page. The inventory age, this is something as well seen on the dashboard. This talks about the different FBA inventory age and the inventory units by age in FBA and the estimated long-term storage fees, and how it gives you suggestions on how you can avoid those fees by setting up automated long-term storage removals. Your fixed stranded inventory, this is new, but basically if you have any stranded inventory, it provides it below and helps you fulfill or fix the stranded inventory. As well as you're able to manage your FBA returns on this page, look to see the different return status, view the details, as well as what was returned. So if you need any help with this or anything Amazon related, feel free to come to myamazonguide.com, book a coaching call with us, and we're here to help you grow your sales on Amazon.